Welcome back, Fuller enthusiasts. It's now late in the day. I've got this thing done, and I've got those things in place so that I can put this thing up. So let's put this thing up. It's going to rest in this opening and come flush to the other side of the wall here. I'm going to put down a bit of this foam for some extra vibration isolation here. Not that it should be necessary with this unit, but I can't help myself. And I apologize if the wide angle view is still smudged up. The lens cover is a bit damaged at this point. I'll order a new one tonight. Something like that. Now, before I fasten it more thoroughly, let's check a couple of things here. First, that the unit to be attached to it is square. You would of course expect it to be, but that would be foolish. But it does look pretty much square. Now we check the corner it's to be installed in. And that is a little bit not square. At least a quarter of an inch there, 6 millimeters or so. In the shape of that, it will hold our air handling unit a little bit that way. So I'm installing a bit more foam cushioning here. You gently shim that over a bit. So I will go ahead and fasten this over here. And that did not get much of a bite, and the piece of remaining wood there that I attached to is not very stable. Let's do something else there. Get a screw that is a little longer and more suited to wood, and put it down here in this other piece of wood. And repair my hideous mistake. Bring this end flush, or just beyond, to make sure that we can press against it for a good seal. And that's getting pretty sturdy. That was right on the joint in the metalwork here, so let's get one right over in the corner. That'll do it. And out here, nearly everything is shiny now. All that's been left out is what is necessary for us to put the receptacle in the correct place for the fan up at the peak there. We need to dig the original plywood panel out of the stack and figure out exactly how that receptacle goes and place that first. And out here, most of our cracked up piece of sidewalk that was in the way has been removed. And here again is where we'll run a bunch of wires and tubes for this receptacle here and those lights there and the outdoor portion of the heat pump that'll go about there. So thanks for joining us again. Remember, if you'd like to contribute to the restoration project, you can do so at fullerdomehome.com, which will be in the video description. And if you'd like to follow the project, you can subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos go up. See you tomorrow.